Hi, this is the assignment related to SQL search. Before getting started, the first thing we need to remember is we need to start a Cassandra instance, and this can be started by using like Cassandra minus f in the background. And we need to remember this instance must be running in the background. So I'll now open the new terminal, and in this terminal, now I'll get into SQL search command. So, so now we are into the SQL search, and I've already created a namespace name demo, and for this assignment I'll use the same. And let's see like what it consists of by using desk command, and this shows that it has few columns in it under the table name of users. So before getting started, let's see whether this table has any data or not. And it is clear that at this point of time the table is completely empty. Now we shall use Java program to do some DML queries, and these two lines indicates of creating a cluster and creating a connection between our Java program and cluster using session. Now the first few lines is where the data is being inserted into the users table, and this is the command like select, which is where we can retrieve the data from. Now at this point of time, I'll just run select query, keeping all others as in comments. Now let's run this and check whether the data has been inserted into our table or not. And here we can see from console that Bob35 has been inserted, and this can also be confirmed by using CLD. And if you see, yes, Jones of age 35 has been inserted into our table. Now let's update it now to the age of 36. And this can be done by updating the command. Yes, here is this. So I'll just run this, and let's see whether it is being updated or not. And here in the console we can see that Bob36 has been inserted. And if you go to our table, yes, the Jones, the age 36 has been updated. Now let's delete all the data from our tables and close the session. This can be done. We're running this command. And if you see, yes, the table has been updated. So this is main synopsis of the first program, where we have inserted data into the table, and then we have seen whether the data has been inserted by using select query, and then updated and finally deleted the data from our from our table by using basics of some DML queries. And now in our second Java program, what the main change is that we are using some retry policy and load balancing concept, and also like prepared statements. So the main emphasis here is, as we have given retry policy, so it makes Cassandra to like do retrying whenever it doesn't able to reach a particular node, and also the concept of load balancing based upon token. So whenever a node is on, like it is being about 80% or 90% of its CPU has been utilizing, or then the cluster retries based upon the tokenizer. And also we made use of prepared statements, where where this makes query to run a bit faster than normal DML normal query, and also it helps in some SQL protection like from SQL injection and all other stuff. So on an overview, the both program are related to some DML queries, and if you see first we shall insert data into it, and then update, and finally we will remove into that. So this is where the first insert, and at this point of time I'll comment the update and delete command, and let's just run insert command first. And if you could see that Bob35 has been inserted, and if you go to the terminal, yes, we could see the Jones of age 35 has been inserted. Now going back, we shall just update the command. Now we shall update this, and now it should turn to age 36, and we could see the Jones of age 36 has been changed. Now getting back, we shall delete the data from our table and also close the cluster connection, and let's see whether the data has been removed from our table or not. We could, sorry, we could clearly see that all data has been removed. So this is an overview of what all of this and all the jar files which I have used for this assignment can be seen in the left side of the panel. And the main challenge which I have faced during this assignment is importing the external jars and getting connected between to my Java program. And I think I have learned debug operations as well, and the main usage of library is like adding external jars to my Java program. And that's it for my assignment. Thank you.